All right, I just got this router, so I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. So I'll show you the ports. So basically this is the first, or at least one of the first routers from MikroTik that comes with 10 gigabit ports. So as you can see here, we have 4 of 10 and 1 of 1 gig. We have a 512 RAM. We have the flash, the storage, 32 megabytes, and then we have the LED light. We have 3 ports that I'm going to show you now, and we have another port for power, so you can power this up very quickly. So now I'm going to show you this product closely. I just took it out of the box, and this is the product. So as you can see here, we have the 10 gigabit ports that I told you before. This is 1 gig. Here we have the reset button. Here we have the LED light, so that way you know when it's on. And I think this, if you have a user connected, here on the side you have the connector, so that way you can connect it to the power if you choose to do that. Otherwise, you can use this one that you have here. So as you can see, you have a backup. So let's say if you want to have it in your rack, I think this is a great solution, because most routers, they don't have 2 power supplies. So as you can see, you can connect one and then you can connect the other one, and this is for ground, and this is very heavy. So it's all metal here, so it's going to dissipate the temperature very well. So it comes with the transformer. It comes with this metal thing to hold it in place. That's it. So it comes with the manual, and here you have the username and password. I would recommend you to replace the password. I think thanks to California, they put a random password in each router, and that's it. So if you want to add more, buy another power supply, you can do that. So that way you can keep the system up and running 24/7. So as you can see here on the back, you have the serial number and you have the username and password as well. So even anybody can go and take a look at the password and go inside of the router. So that is why you should change it. So this is the model CRS304-4XG-IN. So I'll show you here on the screen, so that way you can see another thing. So for instance, this is the connector, if you want to use that. Otherwise, you can use the power supply that comes with it. This is the metal thing, and basically people will hook it. If you have a rack, or if you want to put it on the wall, you can do it like that, and that's it. So that is how it works. The advantage with this is that you're going to have a lot of ways to set this up, because this is not just a regular router like a Lynxis or Cisco that you can do certain things and that's it. You can program it, so that way you can do almost everything. You can read scripts, and you can do almost everything. If you want to control bandwidth, if you want to control the bandwidth of each computer, if you want to play with the firewall, if you want, even I made a video a long time ago that you can even play the Super Mario music. I don't know if it comes with the speaker in this type of a MikroTik, but with this you can do almost everything. So I think it's better than the ubiquiti or lynxis or anything else. So if you want to keep learning, what you can do is you can go to my YouTube channel. It's GabakUSA, and then you go to the playlist, and I have all my classes over there. So that way you can keep learning. Don't use the cell phone because it's useless. Use the PC. Go to playlists, or go to, if you want to search for something in particular, go to the magnified glass or playlist, and then you will have all my classes over there. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Alright, as you can see, I put the metal piece here, put the screws, and the other side it comes with this, so that way you can hook it up in the wrong place. That's it, because if you don't do that, you may lose this, and if someday you want to use it, you have it already in place. Other than that, that's it for now.